Question number 8 of exercise 2.5 is factorize each of the following. And first part of this question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Student, in this particular question, it is in the form of right hand side and you have to convert this into factors form, it means into left hand side form. Since you can see, student, here all the terms are positive. Here there are 4 terms, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, which is getting matched with this first identity, a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here the right hand form is given and we have to convert it into left hand side form. So first we will convert this into right hand side form. How we can write this? 8a cube in whole cube form. In the identity there is here a cube, so we will convert this 8a cube into whole cube form. How we can write this? Obviously we will write here 2a whole cube, and when you multiply 2a 3 times, 2a into 2a into 2a, you will get 8a cube plus b cube. You can directly write as it is because already b is here given here. Next step, now you have to break this 12a square b in the form of 3a square b. Here the value of a is 2a and the value of b is here b. So we can write 3a square, it means 2a whole square, and b it means just only b. In place of b we will write b. Next, 3ab square, 3a it means 2a, b square it means b square. Next step, 2. Student, now you can check 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. You will get 12a square b. It means you are getting the same term. In last term, 3 2s are 6, 6ab square. It means the process is correct. Just you have to substitute now the value of a and b in left hand side form. A plus b whole cube. In in place of a, what you will write? 2a. In place of b, what we will write? b whole cube. Our question is in the form of right hand side and we just converted it into left hand side form. And 2a plus b whole cube can be written as in factors form 2a plus b, 2a plus b into 2a plus b. There are 3 factors of this given question and this is the answer of this question. Second question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. As you can see here, student, this second question is just similar to question number 1, just sign is changed here. It means in this case we will apply this identity, a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let's start. How we will write? 2a whole cube in place of 8a cube, b cube as it is, minus 3 2a whole square b plus 3 into 2a b square. Here the value of a is 2a and value of b is b. So factors are 2a minus b whole cube. You can write this 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. This is the answer. Third question is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Similarly, you have to factorize this also. Here there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. First 2 term we will break into cube form. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now how we will break this 125a cube? Obviously 5a. 5a into 5a into 5a, we will get 125a cube. In next step, here the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 5a. So 3a square b. A square it means 3 square, b it means 5a, plus next step 3ab square. 3a it means 3b square it means 5a whole square. You can check also 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are, you will get 135. In last step 3 3s are 9, 9 into 5 5s are 25, you will get 225. Which identity we are using here? A minus b whole cube. The value of a is here 3 and the value of b is here 5a. 3 minus 5a whole cube, and you can write this as 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. These are the three factors of this third question. Fourth question is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Again there are three terms. First two terms is in the form of cube. It means we will apply the same process. How we can write 64a cube? 4a whole cube. 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are, you will get 64, minus 27b cube. How we will break this? 3b whole cube, minus here the value of a is 4a and the value of b is 3b. In next step 3a square b, we have to break it into form 3a square b. 3a square it means 4a square whole square within bracket 3b, plus 3ab square, 3 within bracket 4ab square it means 3b whole square. Here you can check also 4 4s are 16, 16 into 9 you will get 144, and 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 4s are, we will get 108. So which identity using here we are? A minus b whole cube. It means 4a minus 3b whole cube. Again we will break this 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. This is the answer of this fourth part. Fifth question of this question number 7 is 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p. Similarly, we will factorize this also. 27p cube can be written as 3p whole cube, and 1 upon 216 can be written as 1 upon 6 whole cube. 6 into 6 into 6, you will get 216. Next step 3a square b, here the value of a is 3p, here the value of b is 1 upon 6. So 3a square b, it means 3p whole square into 1 upon 6. Next step 3ab square, 3 into 3p into 1 upon 6 whole square. You can cross check also student. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and when you simplify this 27 with this 6, you will get 9 upon 2. 3 3s are 9, when you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 4p. So a minus b whole cube. A it means 3p, b it means 1 upon 6 whole cube, and you can write it as 3p minus 1 upon 6, 3p minus 1 upon 6, 3p minus 1 upon 6.